Linux in 2025 is no longer the confusing command line on the operating system that many beginners fear. It has evolved into a modern, powerful, and surprisingly friendly platform that millions of people around the world use every day. If you are new to Linux, this journey starts with understanding that Linux is not a single operating system in the traditional sense. Instead, Linux is the core known as the kernel, around which complete operating systems called distributions are built. These distributions are designed for different users, different hardware, and different goals. In 2025, Linux has reached a point where beginners can install it, use it, and enjoy it without touching the terminal at all, while still having the option to explore deeper when curiosity grows. For beginners, the biggest mindset shift is realizing that Linux is built around freedom and choice. Unlike Windows or macOS, Linux does not force you into one specific way of working. You can choose how your desktop looks, how your system behaves, and even how often it updates. This freedom might feel overwhelming at first, but it is also Linux's greatest strength. Modern Linux distributions guide beginners gently, offering clean interfaces, graphical app stores, and automatic updates that work quietly in the background. By 2025, many Linux desktops look just as polished as commercial operating systems, sometimes even more so. When a beginner starts with Linux, the first step is choosing the right distribution. This choice can shape the entire experience. Beginner-friendly distributions are designed to work out of the box. They include drivers, codecs, and essential software so users can focus on learning rather than fixing problems. These distributions typically offer a familiar layout, often inspired by Windows or macOS, to reduce confusion. In 2025, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Zorin OS, Pop _OS, and similar options remain popular starting points because they focus on simplicity, stability, and strong community support. For a beginner, community support is critical. Linux users help each other through forums, tutorials, and videos, making it easier to find answers when questions arise. Installing Linux in 2025 is easier than ever. Most distributions offer graphical installers that guide users step by step. Beginners no longer need to memorize commands or understand partitions in detail. Installers explain options in simple language and often provide automatic partitioning that safely installs Linux alongside an existing operating system. This means beginners can try Linux without deleting Windows or macOS, easing the fear of permanent commitment. Live environments also allow users to test Linux directly from a USB drive before installing it, which builds confidence and familiarity. Once installed, the Linux desktop becomes the beginner's playground. The desktop environment is what users interact with visually, and Linux offers many options. In beginner-friendly distributions, the desktop usually feels intuitive. There is a panel or dock, a menu for applications, system settings, and notifications. In 2025, desktop environments are smooth, responsive, and customizable without being overwhelming. Beginners can change themes, icons, wallpapers, and layouts using simple graphical tools. This level of personalization helps new users feel at home and builds a sense of ownership over their system. Software installation is another area where Linux has made huge progress for beginners. In the past, installing software often meant using the terminal and dealing with dependencies. Today, most beginner distributions include a graphical software center that works like an app store. Users can search for applications, read descriptions, view screenshots, and install or remove software with a single click. Popular applications for browsing, media playback, office work, graphic design, and programming are readily available. Linux also supports modern packaging formats that bundle applications with everything they need, reducing compatibility issues and making updates smoother. Understanding files and folders is an important part of learning Linux, but beginners do not need to master everything at once. Linux uses a different directory structure compared to Windows, but everyday usage feels familiar. Users have a home folder where personal files, downloads, documents, pictures, and videos live. Feed managers in 2025 are powerful and user-friendly, offering search, previews, and network access. Beginners can manage files visually just as they would on any other operating system, without worrying about system directories or permissions initially. Permissions are one of the most important concepts in Linux, and while they may sound intimidating, they actually enhance security and stability. Linux separates regular users from administrative privileges. This means the system is less likely to break due to accidental changes. When a task requires higher permissions, Linux asks for confirmation, usually through a password prompt. For beginners, This model provides protection while gradually teaching responsibility. Over time, users learn why certain actions require extra permission and how this design keeps the system secure. The terminal is often seen as the symbol of Linux, and while it is powerful, beginners do not need to fear it. In 2025, Linux can be used almost entirely without the terminal. However, learning basic terminal commands can be empowering. The terminal allows users to perform tasks quickly, troubleshoot issues, and understand the system at a deeper level. Beginners are encouraged to treat the terminal as a learning tool rather than a requirement. Simple commands like listing files, navigating directories, or updating the system can gradually build confidence and curiosity. Updates on Linux work differently than many beginners expect. Instead of updating individual applications one by one, Linux updates the entire system through a centralized mechanism. This includes the operating system, installed software, and security patches. In 2025, updates are fast, reliable, and rarely disruptive. Many distributions allow users to schedule updates or apply them silently. This unified update model improves security and reduces the risk of outdated software. For beginners, this means less maintenance and fewer interruptions. One of the most common concerns for beginners is software compatibility, especially for tasks like office work, media consumption, and gaming. Linux in 2025 handles everyday tasks exceptionally well. Web browsing, email, video streaming, document editing, and media playback are seamless. Popular browsers, Office switches, and media players are fully supported. Gaming has also improved dramatically. With modern tools and compatibility layers, many Windows games run smoothly on Linux. While not every game is supported, the situation in 2025 is far better than in the past, making Linux a realistic option for casual and even serious gamers. Learning Linux as a beginner is not about memorizing commands or becoming an expert overnight. It is about understanding concepts gradually. Linux encourages learning by doing. Users discover how the system works through exploration rather than rigid tutorials. When something breaks, Linux teaches problem-solving skills. Error messages are usually descriptive, and solutions are often just a search away. This process builds confidence and technical literacy that extends beyond Linux itself. Security is another area where Linux shines for beginners. Linux is designed with security in mind, and its architecture reduces the risk of malware. While no system is completely immune, Linux's permission model, repository-based software installation, and active community make it a safer environment for new users. Beginners do not need to worry constantly about antivirus software or hidden background processes. This peace of mind allows users to focus on learning and productivity rather than fear. Linux also plays a major role in education and career development. In 2025, Linux skills are highly valued in fields like software development, system administration, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Beginners who start with Linux gain exposure to tools and workflows used in professional environments. Even casual users benefit from understanding how technology works under the hood. Linux teaches transferable skills such as logical thinking, troubleshooting, and adaptability. The Linux community is one of its greatest strengths, especially for beginners. Unlike proprietary systems where support is limited to official channels, Linux users help each other freely. Forums, chat rooms, documentation, and video tutorials create a welcoming environment for newcomers. Questions that seem basic are often answered with patience and detail. This culture of sharing makes learning Linux less intimidating and more rewarding. Customization is another aspect that attracts beginners over time. Linux allows users to shape their environment according to their preferences. From simple theme changes to complete desktop transformations, customization helps users express themselves. In 2025, customization tools are more accessible than ever, allowing beginners to experiment without breaking their system. This creativity fosters a deeper connection with the operating system. As beginners become more comfortable, they often start exploring advanced features. Virtual machines, containers, scripting, and development tools are readily available on Linux. These features open doors to experimentation and learning. Linux does not impose artificial limits on what users can do. Instead, it provides a foundation that grows with the user's skills and interests. One of the most important lessons for Linux beginners in 2025 is patience. Linux is powerful, but it rewards curiosity and persistence. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Breaking something and fixing it teaches more than following instructions perfectly. Linux encourages exploration and experimentation in a way that builds confidence rather than fear. Linux also respects user privacy. In an era where data collection is a major concern, Linux gives users transparency and control. Beginners can trust that their system is not secretly tracking their activity. This transparency builds trust and aligns with the values of many users in 2025 who care about digital freedom. For beginners transitioning from other operating systems, Linux offers familiarity without stagnation. It can look and behave in ways that feel comfortable while still introducing new concepts and work. This balance makes Linux approachable and exciting at the same time. Beginners are not forced to abandon everything they know. Instead, they build on it. Ultimately, Linux for beginners in 2025 is about empowerment. It turns users into participants rather than passive consumers of technology. It teaches how systems work, encourages problem solving, and rewards curiosity. Linux does not demand expertise from day one. It meets beginners where they are and grows with them over time. By choosing Linux in 2025, beginners step into an ecosystem built on openness, collaboration, and innovation. They gain access to powerful tools, supportive communities, and endless learning opportunities. Linux becomes more than just an operating system. It becomes a platform for growth, creativity, and understanding. For anyone starting their Linux journey today, the path is clearer, friendlier, and more exciting than ever before.